Hi, this is Lloyd Tran. I'm the director of the California Institute of Nanotechnology. I would like to show you briefly, this is the scanning electron microscope, or SEM. It is a very high-end sensitive electron microscope, allows us to magnify things many thousand times, even a couple 100,000 times, so they can ability to examine, to observe, to look at substances, sample in a very large magnification way. Basically, this is an instrument where we use the electron beams, which is a source of electron beams up here. And when you turn the power on, after it warm up and you activate it, the electron beam will send the rays of electrons through this column. Okay. And around here we have the electromagnetic lens, which is allow us to focus and direct the beams of electron to a certain target. By manipulate those knobs, we can redirect the electron to the sample. When the electron beam hits the specimen, it reflecting a certain interaction between the electron and the surface chemistry and the physical properties of the sample, allow to see the reflection of electrons and the interaction between the electrons from here on the specimen. So the image from the detectors is wired to a computer. In here we can observe the image much better in the screen, and we use this large screen to teach our students the observation on the from the scanning electron microscope. So those are the typical sample of the the semi-circuitry. We can magnify many thousand times. We can actually measure for accuracy for the dimension of these in the micron level, or even as low as the nanometer level. And those are certain images of we see from this scanning electron microscope. The beauty about the scanning electron microscope is that it allows us to have a very accurate understanding of the surface of the matter. Okay? It allows us to examine, to experiment, to learn, and to develop new products thanks to the discovery of the scanning electron microscope. Lloyd Tran with the California Institute of Nanotechnology.